think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Aishwarya and today's video is going to be another Radha inspired makeup tutorial. Recently I have been making a lot of DIY Radha inspired jewelry tutorials. If you haven't watched them yet, then I'll make sure to link them in the description box. You can go check them out. So I have been making all of those and most of the requests are to do those looks as well. This makeup look is going to be very similar to the previous one, but still I'm going to be sharing this video with you guys. Before getting into the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then go subscribe to my channel. What are you waiting for? And also hit the bell icon to never miss an update. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Okay, let's start with the primer as usual. And I'll be using the Fit Me foundation in the shade 128 Warm Nude. And I'm using this flat brush to apply the foundation. And I'll be using this beauty blender to blend the foundation. Next, I'll be using this liquid concealer by Swiss Beauty. I'll be using this round fluffy brush to blend the concealer. Okay, it's time to set the face. I'm going to be using the Lakme Absolute powder to set the face. And the reason why you set your face is because it makes your base makeup stay for a longer period of time. And especially you need to set your under eyes, because once you apply the concealer, there are chances of the concealer to be greasing. So if you set the under eyes properly with a compact powder, there are no chances of it greasing. And I'm using this big powder brush to set my face. Now it's time for eyebrows, and I'm going to be using the same dark brown bronzer for my eyebrows. Using this flat sharp brush to fill my eyebrows. Now that I'm done filling my eyebrows, I'm going to be using this eyebrow spoolie to just brush my eyebrows out. And as always, I'm going to be using my favorite Makeup Revolution Neutrals 2 eyeshadow palette for this eye makeup as well. I will be using this blending brush. I'm going to be using this shade very lightly. I'm not going to make it intense. I'm going to be using this very lightly. And I'll be using this light pink rosy shade on my eyelid, just a little bit, and I'm just gonna blend it out with my finger. I don't want it to be intense, so I'm using it very lightly. And in this look, they have used a little bit of kajal, a brown kajal to just line the eyes and also as a kajal itself. And it is very, very light, and I don't have a brown kajal, so I'm going to be using this eyebrow pencil which is in brown shade, so it is going to work completely like a brown kajal. So yeah, I'm going to be using this. As you can see, this is brown in color. Even though this is brown in color, this is very dark brown in color, so I'm going to be using very, very lightly. I'm going to be doing the same with this eye as well. So I'm done with this eye as well, and I think it looks a little bit more darker than what I thought it would look like. So I'm going to be using this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette again, and I'm going to be using this shade probably to just lighten it up. So I'm using this brush, as you can see, and I'm going to be just lightening it. So I'm done with that, and now I'm going to be using the Calabar Lash Illusion Mascara Duo, which has both lengthening and volumizing side. And the lengthening side ka formula is a little better than the volumizing side, because both the sides are not that good. The mascara itself is not that good. It's a very drying mascara, and the formula is not good, and it doesn't lengthen your lashes. So the lengthening side is a little better, so I'm going to be using at least twice or thrice coats of it to just lengthen my lashes really well, because Radha's look has a very lengthened lash, so I want to achieve the same look as well. And before that, I'll be using this eyelash curler to curl my lashes. By the way, this eyelash curler is by Miniso. I'm going to be applying mascara to both my eyes off camera and come back soon. So I'm done applying mascara to both my eyes, and now I'm going to be doing the rest of my base makeup. I'm going to be using pretty much the same product. So yeah, without any further ado, let's start with the base makeup. For my blush, I'm going to be using the same eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be using this rosy pink shade which we picked up previously for our eye makeup. So yeah, I'm going to be using it as my blush. Oh my god, I applied a little too much. So I'll use this powder brush and dust it off, or else it will be very too much. I will be doing my highlight and contour both with this palette itself. This is the LA Colors Highlight and Contour palette. So first I'll be contouring, so I'm using this contour shade. So I'm done contouring my face as well as highlighting my face. Suddenly, due to some technical issues, the camera stopped recording, so I couldn't show the clip of it. I'm very sorry. So yeah, I'm done contouring and highlighting, so I'm done with my makeup. I just have to apply a lipstick. I will be using this lip tint by Face Shop. It's their water fit tint in the variant rose pink. It looks very natural and very pretty, which we want for the Radha inspired makeup look. So applying lip tint is also done. So now the rest of the things is wearing my costume, wearing my jewelry, as well as putting the bindi and also doing my hairstyle. So I'll do that. I'll probably show you guys me wearing the bindi, but so yeah, let's do that. Now I'm going to be applying bindi. I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply bindi. But if you want me to make a more concentrated and very detailed video on how to apply Radha inspired bindi, then I will surely do that for you guys. And in that video I will show you guys the proper techniques for how to apply the bindi, and also what are all the materials used and some tips and tricks in the between. So if you want that video very soon, then do comment down below. I will surely do that for you guys.
हो चुकी हैं, पर कृष्ण का राधा का होना अभी शेष है। पता नहीं कब से और कैसे, किंतु मैं तुमसे प्रेम करने लगी हूँ कृष्ण।